These are color green, right?
Yeah, color greens. Don't waste any of the leaf.
So all they want is the leaf, right?
Yeah, mostly. I mean, if you want some crunch, you can add the stem, but it's really tough, and it takes longer to cook.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So why is it called color green?
Why is it called collard greens?
Yeah.
I wish I knew. I wish I could tell you right now.
So we need to internet it.
Yeah. Google's my best friend. I'll let you know. I don't know right now. I'll let you know. Ask me again tomorrow. No, I'm gonna Google it first. And I'll let you know.
Alright. Save me the job.
Yeah. This is cute. Looks like bok choy.
It's color. Get it right. The color. Green. Color or color?
Color.
Like
It's color. It's like the D is kind of softened. It's not really. It's not really collared.
okay.
It's like collared. Just end it in a soft kind of D. Over it. It's too much. Should have a bigger knife. Look at it, do it?
Yeah. Well, let's take over this. Hold this. So you want to go this side. That's good, right?
Yeah, that's good. Great, and that's done. Perfect. Looks so green and healthy. Gosh.
No, that's just cover it and it doesn't shrink.
Okay. I just have to cover. You know what I noticed? If there's no moisture on the side, it burns the side.
Start to sweat.
This one's serious. No one's getting in here until it's done.